Mangroves are nature's superheroes, thriving in salty coastal waters where few other plants can survive. Their complex root systems not only anchor them in place, but also protect shorelines from erosion, acting like a natural barrier against storms and rising tides. These incredible trees create rich habitats for countless species, from fish to birds, making them vital for biodiversity. Plus, they play a crucial role in carbon sequestration, helping to combat climate change. So, next time you see a mangrove, remember, they're not just trees, they're guardians of our coastlines and champions of our environment.